15. We got a lot of rain. Kitty house. All battened down. Hurricane season in North Carolina, and we're inland. Not too bad. Give you another view. And the other side. That sky. Ugly. No, that's about it. Nothing special. Just wind and a ton of rain. You can hear the wind. Swim, anybody?